Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Irene, and yo guys, it has been a while since I last posted, and as you always know, once you see me here, I've come with something so big. Yeah. Clock it. Guess what? Guess what? For real, and you thank God for this. Like it's something so big. Guess what? You see these hands? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go straight to the point. Appliance unlocked. Guys, I've upgraded my laundry. So I'll not be using my hands. I'll be using something big. So guys, come with me. Let's go pick my washing machine. Let's go for a machine. Yeah. Super. No more. Tapandishia kwa lift. Ni first floor tu. Tapandishia kwa lift eh. Kai, kuna mwenye hata alipita hapa. Tungejua tungemsimamisha. Mwa anamjua. Hey. Oh, it's excited. And finally, the washing machine has been fixed. Yay! The tap has been fixed for washing machine, and it has been connected to power. It's working, you see? And the dirty water from the washing machine will be going there. And guys, do you imagine like yesterday I did the laundry na nikamaliza late, like nilimaliza hapo saa 2 usiku. I was at the balcony, nilikuwa nafua, and I was like, no way, I'm not gonna leave this laundry here. Lazima nimalize. Not knowing today I was gonna have a machine and care hapa like bure, because imagine the clothes that I want to do. He's peke just to confirm the machine is working. Like sina nguo chafu. Oh, yeah. And let's do it. Let's confirm if the machine is working. Sindio? Because tumesha panta tukaona iko sawa. Acha tukifungue ndani. Hii karatasi. Hii karatasi. Hey, Remy! Okay. Let's put the clothes. But then nilikuwa nisha by nini? Kabla machine kwa deliver nilikuwa nisha by toss, because I knew we were going to test the washing machine. Hizi tu hizo nazimishanisha zote just to confirm if the machine is working. Oh, did I turn it on? No. Nilisikia sabuni sana kadogo. Beda tangu nini kidogo. Alafu place pa ku penye itakuwa ina drain maji bado sijapata. Na kuna shimo hapa kando. So hapa ndio itakuwa ina drain maji, kwa hiyo shimo iko hapa. ndio hii pipe yake, ndio haijatolewa yote, but hii ndio iko pipe yake, so ina drainiwa hapo. And since everything is connected, let's turn the washing machine on. I will put the quick 15, this one. Kwa sababu nguo zenyewe kidogo, na quick 15 ni sawa kwa nguo zetu hata si chafu. Quick 15, quick 15. Okay, there you go. And I start. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? I'm just waiting to see the washing machine rotating. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, I can hear the water splashing inside there. Okay, yeah, okay, this one like hapa. Mina ngoja tu nguo zianze kurotate so that I can know it's working. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Hey, God. Oh, there. It's rotating. It's working. Yay! It's 40 minutes remaining. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I love you guys. Bye. Until next video.